10 UK towns quietly facing decline. Across Britain, something subtle is happening. Some places that once bustled with factories, fishing fleets, or busy high streets have slipped into quieter days. The reasons vary: industry fading, shops closing, or younger generations drifting toward bigger cities. But the story is shared. These are not headline-grabbing collapses, just the slow fade of once proud communities. In this video, 10 UK towns quietly facing decline reveals the hidden struggles behind shrinking high streets, empty storefronts, and ageing populations. It's a journey through overlooked corners of the country, still full of spirit, history, and stubborn resilience. 10. Grimsby, Lincolnshire. Grimsby was once one of the busiest fishing ports on the planet, a place where trawlers filled the docks and the smell of fresh catch drifted through the streets. But those days belong to history books now. As the industry shrank, so did the town's economic heartbeat. Many former docklands stand quieter, with less of the robust trade that once powered the community. Today, Grimsby is often mentioned in conversations about declining UK towns and left-behind areas. Its challenges range from job losses to pockets of deprivation, and like many coastal towns, its young people often head elsewhere to start their careers. But spend time here, and you'll see sparks of life. Indie shops trying their best, loyal locals, and a town determined not to be forgotten. That mix of struggle and perseverance makes Grimsby a symbol of the modern coastal shift happening across Britain. 9. Fleetwood, Lancashire. On the edge of the Irish Sea, Fleetwood carries a quiet melancholy that speaks of better days. The fishing industry once defined this coastal town, filling its streets with energy and purpose. As the industry waned, Fleetwood's decline began. Major factories closed, fishing fleets downsized, and jobs became harder to find. Fleetwood frequently appears in reports about UK towns facing decline, especially those tied to maritime industries. Its high street has battled rising vacancy rates, and familiar chain stores have disappeared. Still, there's plenty of charm in Fleetwood's bones. Gentle beaches, heritage sites, and a proud community holding on. Although the economic tide shifted long ago, the spirit of Fleetwood hasn't fully drifted out to sea. It remains a town where resilience speaks louder than decay. 8. Consett, County Durham. Consett's story is classic British industrial history, a town built around steelmaking, praised for its craftsmanship, and then abruptly reshaped by its industry's downfall. When the steelworks closed in the 1980s, thousands of livelihoods vanished almost overnight. The shockwaves still echo today. While Consett has seen regeneration, retail parks, housing developments, and community projects, many residents still feel the weight of the past. The town never fully replaced the economic engine the steelworks provided. Like many struggling British towns, Consett faces a mix of limited job options and a high street trying to stay afloat against modern shopping habits. Yet Consett has something special, a sense of pride that outlives any industrial decline. The landscape tells a story of grit and survival, and locals wear that heritage with honour. 7. Hartlepool, County Durham. Hartlepool is a coastal town with deep maritime roots. Shipbuilding, fishing, and docks once gave it a powerful economic foundation. But as those industries declined across the late 20th century, Hartlepool felt the hit strongly. Today, it often appears in lists of left-behind towns in the UK, with challenges around unemployment, high street emptiness, and economic stagnation. The closure of industries left physical and emotional gaps: empty warehouses, quieter ports, and boarded-up stores. Younger generations often leave for education or work, adding to the population shift. Still, Hartlepool is far from hopeless. There are regeneration projects underway, a beautiful marina, and an arts scene budding quietly in the background. It's a town fighting not to fade, even with the odds stacked against it. 6. Radcliffe, Greater Manchester. Radcliffe was once an industrial powerhouse, known for its mills and paperworks humming with life. But as those industries declined, Radcliffe's fortunes dimmed. Factories closed, jobs disappeared, and the town centre gradually lost some of its spark. Even today, many buildings stand as reminders of its manufacturing past. Proud structures with stories, but fewer purposes. Radcliffe makes frequent appearances in research about declining towns in England, mostly due to its economic downturn and slow redevelopment pace. Its high street has struggled with vacancies, and residents sometimes feel overshadowed by the nearby larger towns that have absorbed investment and opportunity. Yet Radcliffe retains a close-knit charm. The community is tight, the heritage is rich, and the town's identity is still deeply felt. It might be quieter now, but it hasn't lost its soul. 5. Burnley, Lancashire. Burnley is a town with a proud industrial heritage, once thriving during the days when textile mills shaped its skyline. But the decline of traditional manufacturing hit Burnley hard. Factories closed, job markets tightened, and the local economy shifted in ways many weren't prepared for. Burnley has been recognised in national studies as one of the struggling British towns dealing with long-term economic challenges. Its town centre has battled retail closures, changing shopping habits, and the rise of online commerce. Alongside this, Burnley faces pockets of deprivation and limited opportunities in certain neighbourhoods. But Burnley's people? They're tough. This is a town known for its football pride, community spirit, and surprising bursts of creativity. Burnley may be down in some ways, but it's still very much alive in others. 4. Gillingham, Kent. Gillingham is part of the wider Medway cluster, a series of towns that each carry their own stories of transformation and struggle. Over the years, Gillingham has quietly faced the decline seen across many British high streets. More shuttered shops, less foot traffic, and the challenge of attracting modern investment. Historically tied to the Chatham dockyard economy, Gillingham felt the aftermath when the dockyard closed in the 1980s. It created a ripple effect across commerce, housing, and employment. Today, the town is often mentioned in studies discussing declining UK towns trying to reinvent themselves. But with new residents moving in from London and regeneration projects slowly appearing, Gillingham sits at a crossroads. It's a town with both decline and potential, wrapped into one complicated identity. 3. Dartford, Kent. Dartford once thrived on paper mills, chemical plants, and a variety of manufacturing jobs that created a strong industrial backbone. But as those industries declined across the late 20th century, Dartford transformed. Not always in the ways locals hoped. Many old factories closed, leaving behind large empty spaces and economic uncertainty. Although Dartford has seen housing growth and regeneration in recent years, many long-time residents note how much the old town has changed, and not always for the better. Its high street has faced similar struggles to many UK towns quietly facing decline, with shuttered stores replacing formerly busy commercial areas. Dartford is an example of a town caught between two identities, the old industrial Dartford and the new suburban Dartford shaped by commuters. The tension between them can be felt in its evolving landscape. 2. Barrow-in-Furness, Cumbria. At one point, Barrow-in-Furness stood as one of Britain's great industrial towns, known for steelmaking and world-class shipbuilding. The docks buzzed with activity, submarines were assembled with pride, and workers filled the streets. But when heavy industry began shrinking, Barrow felt the impact intensely. Thousands of jobs were lost, industries contracted, and the town's population began to decline. Today, Barrow still builds vessels through BAE systems, but the economic base isn't as diverse as it once was. Many high street shops have closed, and media reports have captured the visual decline. empty storefronts, quiet shopping centres, and areas of disrepair. Despite this, Barrow-in-Furness is full of warmth, proud football fans, strong community ties, and a deep love for its coastline. The town's struggles are real, but so is its determination. 1. Redcar, North Yorkshire. Topping the list is Redcar, a coastal town that became a national symbol of industrial decline when the nearby steelworks closed in 2015. Overnight, one of the town's biggest economic lifelines vanished. Thousands of jobs were affected, families were uprooted, and the town's identity, once tied closely to steel, was shaken to its core. Redcar has frequently appeared in documentaries, national surveys, and reports about left-behind towns in the UK. The High Street has faced steep challenges, with vacancies rising and many small businesses struggling against economic headwinds. Younger residents often move away for work, leaving Redcar with a shrinking, ageing population. Yet Redcar remains strikingly beautiful. Its golden beaches, dramatic coastline, and proud community still shine through the hardship. It is the kind of place where people speak with honesty about their challenges, but also about their hope. The decline is real, but so is the heart. These 10 UK towns, quietly facing decline, show that fading high streets and changing industries tell only part of the story. Behind each challenge is a community still fighting, adapting, and refusing to be forgotten. Their struggles are real, but their identity and spirit remain firmly alive. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.